Welcome to Followers Up. I will show you how to buy TikTok fans safely and quickly. First, go to followersup.co or simply search for Followers Up on Google. Now, let's find TikTok. Choose Fans. Choose how many you want using the slider. Let's say I want this many. Time to hit the buy button. Now let's fill out these two simple fields to finish the order. After you've filled out your email and order info, you can pay for your order with your credit, debit card, or choose crypto to pay with Bitcoin. You can check your order information and status in the order confirmation email sent to you after you've completed the payment. To check your order status, simply click the order status link in the email. If you have any questions about your order, you can contact support via live chat 24/7 or simply send an email. Click the link below the video to make your purchase and enjoy your growth.